Welcome to Green Street. We're standing next to City Hall and directly across from the Tompkins County Public Library and the Green Street bus station. We are here today to see Commons West 102, a one-bedroom apartment located on the ground floor with a direct exterior entrance. Here you can see the back entrance of Commons West, as well as the freight elevator. This is where you can enter the building to access the laundry and trash facilities. Commons West 102 is located just at the start of this small alley area. Let's head on in. As you enter, you come directly into the living room, which has 6 pieces of furniture. A dining table and chair, a coffee table and sofa, and an armchair with end table. The living room leads directly into the kitchen, where you will find your dishwasher, your electric oven and range, your microwave and refrigerator, as well as plenty of cupboards. On into the bedroom. This room has 4 additional pieces of furniture: a full-size bed, a dresser, and a desk and chair. Each room is air-conditioned and has a heating element. And here is the bedroom closet. Nice large closet. Your second closet is located next to the bathroom. Another large closet with some built-in shelving. We'll finish in the bathroom. A spacious bathroom with a full standing shower and a vanity with 3-part medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 102. Call us today for availability.